Old Ford, 1956. Fast and Furious.
Might have to go get the tow truck beds.
Oh? How come?
I don't know. Quit.
Oh no! Quit working. Oh. So again. Nice drop.
It does leak a little bit.
What's leaking? The oil? Oh, the coolant.
Not touching fast. You're looking good,
Oh.
boy. I just put touches on mine too. And what? See? Oh yeah, yeah. We wired all that. It's working properly there, you see? Well, Vince, you should try this.
Oh, maybe tomorrow.
Maybe you find one you can fix it.
I'm scared to scratch it. It's
Well, we were working on mine today and we scratched it.
that's a nice rod.
Oh yeah, right on. So did you put them Ford stickers on there, or? No, I didn't. They were on the line. No, I painted. But no, but you found it still. Oh yeah, no, I got them from wire. Oh, just the lens, just the cap. Charged me 22 bucks. It's about done. I just got to touch it up a little bit there. Stuff like
For
that.
1956.
Pretty good though. Oh, that's very good. Pretty,
Very nice.
you need the rubber here.
For the box.
Over there. And, very nice. It's kind of like a...
I did that all boxes there.
You know what's like?
That's nice, eh?
Yeah, we should do that, right? No, like the 3-speed, I remember.
Ford 1956.
It feels pretty good. Look at it.
It's nice. It's ready for a show.
We're gonna go to the Philippines. Hey, that's
I'm gonna visit the garage of Laurier.
yeah, I owe you for that.
Right here, another tractor.
That looks better. Yeah. No, on these two holes I forgot to plug.
Yeah, well, I fixed it.
You know, is that the ones I forgot to plug?
Yeah.
That looks better. It looks more natural.
Yeah.
That looks better.
Well, it's both holes for
That looks
for
nice.
the padded seat, eh?
Truck.
That's what it is.
Here, I put some, you want some lights on or you better without? Looks good, eh, George? Listen to this.
Very nice.
Listen to this.
Oh, there's a sticker.
Ah, beautiful. No. What is it? Looks like a cucumber.
Oh, it is in the lever, eh?
Did you put this one, Louis?
What's that?
Did you put the sticker?
Sean put my
Oh.
son.
Who does that?
So,
Nice.
Look, man. Looks beautiful.
huh?
Looks beautiful.
Yeah. there. I just.
Yeah, I can fix that for you. You'll never tell.
Farm Hall.
Yeah.
Farm Hall.
1947.
1947. That's a.
Farm Hall Cub.
Very nice.
Oh, I got a starter for you. Fuck, it just started.
Check, check, check.